Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode, which is about how can you post a job on LinkedIn for free and attract top talent. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivia Ltd, the leadership transformational company for leaders, founders, entrepreneurs, and CEOs who wants to upgrade their personal brand or even create it and also switch their mindset towards high performance through strategy and health. So let's take a look at this question. How can you post a job on LinkedIn for free and attract top talents? Posting a job on LinkedIn is one of the best ways to reach a massive pool of professionals. But did you know you can post jobs for free and still attract high quality talent? This is what I'm using when I'm posting jobs for my company. You don't always need to pay for sponsored posts or job ads to build your team. Let's take a look how you can do it effectively. So here are four things why use LinkedIn to post jobs for free. So the first one is that there is massive audience. With over 700 million members, LinkedIn gives you access to a global talent pool. The second is the targeted search. So you can easily filter candidates based on skills, experience, and location, and also more. The third is networking potential. So your connections and their networks can help you find the right candidates quickly. And the last but not least is employer branding. So a free post still shows your company's profile, culture, and also values, so people can actually choose if they want to work for you. So here is the steps to post a job on LinkedIn for free. So first of all, you go to jobs here in the navigation bar, and then you click on post a free job. So then you add the description. You actually put everything what you need. So for example, social media manager, and also you can use here AI, which is like super cool because everything will be done for you. You can just adjust what you are looking for which company, etc. And then you can also select, for example, the free option. When prompt to promote your job, select the free posting option, because LinkedIn offers this feature for small businesses and for individuals looking to grow their network. Uh, so here you can see like what are the essentials. Click yes, then you can like approve it. And then of course leverage your network, share the job post with your connections and ask your employees to share it as well, because their networks might help you find the right candidate. So this is really important to know, and also about this feature. There are also best practices and the mistakes to avoid in this. So here are 5 best practices to share with you. So the first one is that you should optimize your company profile. This is really important so that people can know what you are exactly doing. And an attractive LinkedIn company page builds credibility and encourages top candidates to apply. Then the second is use clear and engaging language. So candidates are more likely to apply if the job description speaks directly to them. So if you are a cool company looking for cool people, then write a cool text, easy as it is. The third one is about top talent is often looking for a good fit. So mention your company values and work environment. The fourth is add add a call to action. So what you want from people to do? Like, do you want them to call you? Do you want them to write on your email? What do you want them to do? And the last is that you should respond to applicants quickly to keep the momentum going. So within 24 hours, you should be replying to the applicants. Like, just let them know if you like them, if you don't want to work with them, whatever. Just reply. There are also four mistakes that you should avoid. So first is vague job description. Candidates need specifics about the role, expectations, and benefits. So if it's a good fit. Then the second is ignoring your job post after publishing. The third is don't just post and hope for the best. You should leverage your connection to boost the visibility. And the fourth is keep it simple and focus on what matters to your ideal candidates. So, posting a job on LinkedIn for free is a great strategy for attracting quality candidates without breaking the bank. You can find top talent without the need for paid ads. Stay proactive, responsive, and intentional with your approach, and you will see results because LinkedIn is great platform for professionals. So where else would you post than on LinkedIn? And you don't need to do it for the money. So, if you want to know more tips on LinkedIn and beyond, then go to mariolevy.com and click on the articles. And here you can find daily tips on LinkedIn and beyond about the leadership, for example, which can be really beneficial for your network and for your personal brand. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, the leadership transformational company where we help entrepreneurs, leaders, and founders to upgrade their personal brands or to create them and also switch their mindset towards the high performance through the strategy and health. So if you want to connect with me, do it on LinkedIn, write in the description of the connection that you are coming from this episode, and I will have prepared for you a bonus, the bonus template, which will help you to nail your brand. And don't hesitate to also hit the subscription and the notification button on YouTube. And I will see you next time. Bye.